Wow, you didn't take the Pro upgrade? That could be a really big mistake because what we have here is something that really adds a jet engine to your leads marketing. We are sure you have your reasons, but listen, consider. Don't let these powerful features escape you, especially because we don't really know how long we can actually offer them and to how many people. This might just be the last chance. Okay, let me make the decision easier for you if the money is the only problem. You don't take the hit, we'll take the hit. We'll give you virtually all the Pro features at a big discount. Yes, with only a haircut. We are going to take away social leads, collector, and the capability to get free leads, but you get everything else, including unlimited lists, unlimited autoresponders, unlimited leads, and the power to put one lead in multiple autoresponders. Yes, you will have no limits whatsoever on your leads to list. Grab as many leads as you want, grow your business as large as you want. Make every bit of success yours. Listen, don't let this offer escape you. You probably won't get similar capabilities anywhere else, not even in other tools. Get your Leads2list Ace, click on the button below and make it yours.